back to my channel. Porchia Nicole here, and I am back with another video. Today I will be doing a get ready with me, and I will be doing my makeup and I will be doing my hair. As y'all know, I am not a professional in the makeup. I just do my makeup to the best of my ability, and if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I try again the next day. So yeah, this video is sponsored by SVT Hair. So yeah, I will be doing a short review on the hair, and then I will be getting right into the makeup part of the video and then the outfit that I wore. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. Okay, so I did get this hair from SVT Hair. This is a 24-inch wig. It is Peruvian texture, and it is a lace wig. A few things that I liked about the wig: I do like how nice the hair is. It was very silky. It was very straight. Like, it's a very good texture. The lace on the wig was really, really good. It bleached really well. It's almost like that transparent HD whatever lace. Like, it was really good. It was already kind of blending with my skin before we bleached, but you know, honey, you still gotta bleach your wig. You know, you still have to do that. What I didn't like about the wig is the part. Like, it is not a lot of part in this wig. The wig literally is from here to here. So like, when you wear your hair to the side, it doesn't like have a lot of part. You can't part it on the sides. The wig literally comes like this. So on the side is nothing on the side. This is my braids basically. Like, you can't part on the side. The part barely goes back at all. Like, this is the end of it. It doesn't go. So you can only part it in the middle, and the part is not that long. It's just from here to here. This is actually just makeup right there, making it look like it goes longer than what it really does, but it doesn't. So if you like a long part, then I wouldn't suggest this wig. But if it doesn't matter to you and you just like a small little part and it looks more natural to you, then I would suggest this wig. It is very affordable. One thing else, I like 180% density in my wig. So to me, it looks more of like 120% density instead of 180%. So if you don't like a full thick wig like I do, then you will really enjoy this wig, because like I said, it's really natural looking and everything. When you wear it up, it looks natural. But I just like a thicker wig. I just been wearing the wig up in a high bun, and so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it back in a high bun. And so yeah, I've been wearing it up in a bun basically, because the ponytail to me is too thin for me to wear down. So I've been doing the high bun thing.
Tell me if you love me, baby. Tell me if it's real. Tell me we gon' be together. Tell me how you feel. Tell me if you love me, baby. Tell me if it's real. Tell me we gon' be together. Tell me how you feel.
So yeah, you guys, basically I've just been wearing it up in a bun just like this, and I think it is so cute. I'll just put on different little headbands, and yeah, it's really different because I always wear my hair down or something. So it's really like a good thing because I was able to try the high bun. It looks really good in the back. So I really did like the texture of the wig, and I liked the quality of the wig. Well, I did wish the wig was a little thicker, and I wish the parting in it was more longer, but that's just preference. So yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how I achieved this look right now.
Secret, be my little secret, be my little secret. Tell me you will be with your phone on D&D. The baby put that D in me. I love it when you deep in me. You bring out the freak in me. Tell me, do you get love? Boy, pour down on me, then go down on me. So in the morning, I'm still recording, thinking about you, got me losing my focus. Wish you were here so that we can get on it. Sipping this Hennessy got me so horny. Got me drunk texting you, telling you all the things I'ma do. I make it hot when I serve, hot when I serve. I make the split look perfect, split look perfect. It's when you ain't working, it's when you ain't working. I make it clap, you deserve it. Anything she can do, I can do better.
There she go, looking like my future baby mama. Can't nobody do your body like my body. I'm sorry, your mama know what it is. I'm about to give her all of a drink. Singing that.
Go on, bust it open, go ahead, baby, get naked. Know you got a nigga, but I wanna see you get naked. Deep throat, baby, go ahead, take it. Nigga on the strip, bought a bitch while he in Vegas. Say you getting money, but the whole world know you fake it. Move with the quickness, flex so hard, had to invest in fitness. Everybody think
patroning you. Me patroning you. Me patroning you. Me patroning you. You, me, and Patron, girl, we gon' get it.
I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I could tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah. Come and hop on this pony.
Come and hop on this phone.
Can I dive in your ocean?
Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money. And they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on the leash. Yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know.
Fuck a nigga, boy, I'm all about my bag. I ain't chasing these niggas cause they don't know how to act. I be mad in my business, but I swear these hoes are mad. What is pussy way too good to let you play me, that's a fact.
Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me put my makeup on. I know y'all always ask me about that. I tell y'all I'm not that good at it, but y'all seem to want to see it anyway. So yeah, please thumbs up this video if you appreciated the time that it took to do this. Please check out SVT Hair. All the links will be down below. They have a lot of different wigs that you can choose from. And yeah, and like always, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram and everything. I do a whole lot of videos on there. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.